G'day and welcome to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups, proudly sponsored by Minisport. On this episode, we are talking about thermostat housings to suit the A-Series Classic Mini in particular. So this will suit a Classic Mini and Moke. As I said, it will also suit other varieties of A-Series engines. So this one, as you can see here, this kind of kicks to the left. This is off a 1275 Rover Mini. The reason why it kicks to the left is because it needs to make room for the alternator. The alternator sits quite high on this because it does run air conditioning. Therefore, where the alternator sits, it is going to touch the spout if you have one that is forward facing. Therefore, it needs to kick to the left. There are a couple of different varieties of these. So depending on what you have, what setup you're running, what style, what shape, what size, there are different ones to suit. There are ones with blanking holes, there's ones with holes drilled in the side of them in which you can run a temperature gauge, there's spacers, there's a variety of different length studs that you need to be able to run them. So depending on what you're using your vehicle for, whether it's forward facing, rearward, it's kicking to the left, it's hanging to the right, whatever it may be, Minisport do a variety of different thermostat housings. If you're unsure, make sure you give them a call on the number behind me or flick them an email, or if you're in Adelaide, make sure you check them out while you're there. They do come, as I said, in a variety of shapes and sizes, so depending on what you need, if it's a standard 998, if you're doing a work 1275, depending on what you're doing, make sure you buy the right one, because if you don't, you're going to run into dramas. Make sure you get the appropriate hose to suit. So be sure to check out the full range at minisport.com.au, as well as a bunch of their merch, including stickers, t-shirts, hoodies, hats, you name it, they've got it in a variety of colours and sizes. We'll see you on the next episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.